LARA's countdown to our top story this week. At 5. Wizz Air UK has been granted an Air Operator Certificate, an operating licence by the UK Civil Aviation Authority, and launched its first flight. In an investment representing $860 million, Wizz Air UK is to have 8 new Airbus A320 and A321 aircraft in service by the end of 2018. Number 4. Germania is preparing for the summer season with the addition of new routes from Berlin. From June, the airline will serve the Greek island of Samos, and for the first time, the airline is to offer a flight connection to the Armenian capital, with flights departing every week from June. In at 3. Magnetic MRO has been awarded a heavy maintenance contract by Austrian Airlines covering the 2019-2020 winter season, with the carrier booking 3/4 of all available maintenance slots at the provider's facility in Estonia. The new agreement will see Magnetic continue to provide the Austrian flag carrier with services for its Airbus A320 family fleet. At 2. Angolan startup carrier Air Connection Express has ordered 6 new Q400 turboprops from Bombardier Commercial Aircraft in a deal valued at approximately $198 million. The airline will operate the Q400s domestically to connect smaller communities and increase frequencies as a regional feeder airline to the partner group Angola Airlines. And our top story this week: Germany's Lufthansa group is to spend €2.1 billion on new aircraft after confirming it has ordered up to 16 new planes, comprising up to 12 Airbus A320s and 4 Boeing 777s. The company says it is continuing to invest in fleet modernisation, with delivery scheduled to take place in stages until 2022. That's all for this week. For more news and information, subscribe and follow us on social media.